Hey guys, today we're talking about the Hilton American Express card. Now, this is co-branded with American Express and Hilton, and why you should add this card to your wallet, and how I managed to add it to mine with a 652 experience score. So let's get into this. Starting off, the sign-up bonus on this card is phenomenal. Right now it's 150,000 points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. Now, $3,000 sounds like a lot, but honestly it's not that bad if you just pay all your bills using your card and pay it off every 2 weeks. That's my strategy, how I use this card and how I paid it off. Also, your car insurance is another great way to generate spend. Now, AMEX points are considered about 0.06 cents per point. So that gives you a value in the neighborhood of about $900 in credit for stays at Hilton properties. Now, speaking of stays at Hilton properties, this card does generate a huge bonus when you stay at Hilton properties. It gives you up to 12 points per dollar spent at Hilton properties. Now remember, that's not just Hilton Hotel. It's any along the Hilton chain. I'll list some beside me. I'll give you an example of all the different hotels that you could stay. It gives you 6 times spend at supermarkets, restaurants, and gas stations. And of course, it gives you 3 times spend on everything else. The perks on this card are Hilton Honors Gold status. You get the Hilton Honors Diamond status if you spend $40,000 in a calendar year. If you spend $15,000, you do get a free night at a hotel. You do get priority pass up to 10 visits. You get foreign transactions fees, and you also get a shop runner membership, Hilton Honors Gold. For this, you get 80% bonus points on stays. You get space available room upgrade. You get free continental breakfast, and there are some milestone bonuses along with the other items that are on this chart. Now, this chart is designed for people who actually stay a lot at Hilton properties. So you got to kind of build up those nights in order to get them. Except with this card, you do get the gold status automatically. Now, the way I got my card, I do have a few items of derogatory credit on my report. I am working on getting those removed. Stick around for future videos on those, on how to remove negative items from your credit report. But for me, this is how I did it. I went to American Express's website. I clicked on the link cards and pre-qualify. And I was able to pre-qualify. It did pop up as the Hilton card as one of my options. I applied through that link and managed to get this card. Granted, it only has $1,000, but it gets my foot in the door with American Express, and that's what I needed. I needed a foot in the door, the way I could get started with American Express and continue growing within that company. Now, at this point, recently, I've been approved for the Chase Sapphire, the American Express Hilton Honors, and the Navy Federal American Express card. It is co-branded with American Express. It is not a American Express corporate card, company card. So stick around. I've got some future videos coming back for those. I've also got a great video, which I'll link up above, of my strategy, how I am going from being rejected by Discover to approved for an American Express in just 7 short months. Make sure to like and subscribe. We always appreciate people out there doing so. Give me a thumbs up. Hope you like the video. Until then, See you around.